What's up, guys? It's Vince, Choice Virtual Guard Service. Setting up the solar trailer for a new adventure. Well, I should say setting up another solar trailer for another adventure. This one here is thermal cameras. I'll show you the video. But this area is huge. So we're gonna see exactly how good my theory is when it comes to these thermal cameras. I believe that there is no other camera to use, especially at places like this. But we'll see. I'll show y'all the video tonight when I get in there. Have a great day and God bless.